Already government mentioned in second bill.
This is what
already
I am
government
saying.
mentioned in second bill.
This is what
they
I am
have
saying.
their force and justification. Second bill mentioned
like
that.
Pandey, I had you completed.
It's kind of trivial.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you are
so
watching.
much curious.
thank
so
you.
please tell us
Okay.
that
Ask
what
me a
you
question.
want to actually
No.
depict here. Okay?
No,
So guys,
So
Your
please
question,
tell us.
please.
We
at
are-
right now
we
you are watching the channel of English Cafe.
Oh my
Am I
God,
right?
we are not.
And
we
they
are not knowing. We don't know.
See,
No,
just
see-
act like a.
Don't derail the topic.
Don't derail, just be on the topic and
Go for it.
directly repeat the
It
question.
is not
And
a
guys,
joke.
he
Right.
said that farmers
Guys,
are not.
it is a serious topic. My father
is also a farmer.
Farmer. And,
My father is
and
also
here
a
some
farmer.
people making fun of
But
it.
this is
And
what.
the- and the
They are making fun of you.
He, see,
You are diverting the question here.
Don't divert.
You should be directly.
and you just mentioned
Let me
there
complete.
are no
Okay,
middlemen,
let
right?
anyone
So
answer.
about middlemen, I would like to say that there are 7,000 APMC that running across our country,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And in APMC there are more than 20 lakhs people working and they have a job.
Okay.
And they don't have any jobs regarding. First of all, government should provide job, then they will finish. In 1 hour, every farmer attempts
My
suicide,
dear,
and
my
very
dear,
suicide
my
attempt
dear,
rate in
my dear,
Maharashtra.
So that is why we are having this bill, no? The government wants to reform this agriculture sector.
Why farmers getting suicide?
Yes.
Because there were no major reforms in the. See, after Green Revolution.
You will just answer me.
So you think Punjab and Haryana people is not educated and many
Oh my
farmers are
goodness.
Punjab and
My
one thing in this protest many UPSC aspirant is
Aspirant
also
involved
in this
also involved in.
then you think UPSC aspirant is not
Matured?
prepared and not mature.
Right.
Maybe matured, but this law is not entirely wrong. There are some flaws.
I have a question.
Okay, there are some. Keep your questions straight, please. Don't involve examples. It's like you are
Because
confusing.
you don't understand what is farmer business. That's why you don't understand my
now,
question.
now,
right?
my answer is
You
to
are
you
turning your
that
question around one point this
So
and
you're
this
not
and
a
Like,
teacher.
आप जाओगे?
First of all, tell me. Let me tell you, you're not a teacher. You're not teaching us that we haven't understood. We
let
have
it be another
already-
point,
I'm not a
We
teacher.
have already done the sessions.
I am not
and
a
you
teacher.
are not, you are
Cool,
no
I'm
one
not
to
a
tell
teacher.
me that.
I am a citizen
you
of
are
India.
no one to
Cool,
tell me
cool,
that.
cool, man.
That
Well,
we
cool down.
are
Now,
not
listen.
understanding
Cool down.
anything.
That's why you
Okay.
give
Why
your
are
question. Let me complete.
My answer is
just
to you
holding
that
and holding the things. Why are you holding?
Okay, straightforward, just think.
keep the question straight so that it is easily comprehensible, please.
You're not asking the question. You're just
Calm down, calm down.
Calm down.
starting
calm
from
down,
the
calm
thing
down.
and
Let's
where
just
you're
keep it-
committing, where you're going to. Do you think that you're
Straight question, you are questioning this legality of this contract.
So, first
Madam,
of all,
I'm here to
it means she read only like
Nahi.
paragraph of bill.
Yeah.
She don't know what is practical happening in a country. How many farmers? Yeah, I know. That's
The
why-
reason is that you first ask the question. Ask me the question. Let me only I will answer you.
Let me ask
May I
now.
join your group?
Wait
You
for a
think
while,
that
man.
you're
You can join,
expert
okay? But wait for a while.
agriculturalist?
First, ask me
You
the question, man.
think- you
I'm
think
ready.
that-
So, okay, let
My question is as
You will find that 80% of the groundwater is being used in the irrigating purpose of what? Paddy and wheat. So this has changed what? Entire cropping pattern.
Yes.
Yeah, almost if I'm right, then 60% of the farmers are doing what? They are just investing their money on production of
A single
wheat
kind
and
of-
paddy.
yeah.
Okay, but we are not thinking about horticulture like flowers, fruits, because these are perishable materials.
Medicinal
But
plants
If this
even.
contract farming, even we organize a party, we do contract from Chowmin wala, Gupchup wala like that. So why can't we do in this field?
after the implementation of this law, you will directly come to me and think, अच्छा भैया आपने ऐसा ठीक कर दिया है, अब किसान भी बोलेगा ठीक है, you are my बाप, आपने जैसा बोला मैंने
Can
implement
I
कर
answer?
दिया.
May I answer?
So why would the farmers say you are my
answer is
baba?
to you that you
There is
are
competition.
talking about that will it helpful for the government
Yeah.
people or not?
So now you will
There's
tell me.
no need of middlemen.
Okay, there is no needle. That sounds very good. Wow, there is no need of middleman and
It sounds
farmer.
very good,
Okay.
but middleman,
Yeah,
as we all
that's
know,
but
as
that's but needs some implementation.
Hello everybody, this is Mridulesh and these are my team members. So we are here to discuss about the ongoing sensation of this nation, the Farms Bill. So recently we have seen that the government has introduced reforms in the form of free bills relating to farming sector, or we can say agricultural sectors. So we are here to discuss about the pros and cons of all these bills, what we have in these things, what are the flaws of these bills. So we are here to discuss the same. So let's start with Pragya. She will describe about what are the flaws of the three bills that we are having these days.
in this act, they have freedom to sell anywhere. But how they will go, how what they are going to do, and also the transportations.
Actually, the farmers who are protesting mainly from Haryana or Punjab, and they have a lot of tractors and a lot of vehicles. So, what is the problem behind it?
Okay, let me tell you about the Punjab and Haryana. In Punjab and Haryana, the farmers and the APMC mandi is well organized. They don't want to be disturbed.
About
Because-
80% of rice production
Yes.
got MSP and
Yes.
79% of wheat production. They got MSP. Okay, they really get MSP from what? APMC mandis, and they are farmer, but it doesn't mean that they are poor. They are rich
Okay.
farmers.
They are rich
Yeah.
farmers.
They are rich farmers.
also-
Okay, so they have the capacity, they have the potential to purchase vehicle.
Yeah.
And you will find that if you talk about the farmers of Odisha or Jharkhand, do they have tractors or any farm?
No.
Not at all. But in the term, if we will talk about the Punjab or any Punjab
Any
Haryana
other
or
state.
states where the what can I say, green revolution took place, they have the capacity. Why? Because they are rich farmers. So that is why.
Actually, the farmers are protesting. There is mainly from Punjab and Haryana
Huh.
because they are only
Getting huge amount
the
of-
huge amount of MSP.
MSP, of course.
One
And what about the other farmers from Bihar? And
The
Jharkhand?
reason is that, na, my dear.
Because there's no
And you
problem.
know, this agriculture thing is not just about producing the grains.
grains, huh?
It is
deals
about
with the
producing
trade,
flowers.
commerce and lots
It's,
of,
it's also in this horticulture. You know,
We have
we
22 or
produce
23
honey and all.
come under
Because
this.
if
Yeah.
you see the
20 plus 22 plus 1, sugarcane comes under the exception category, if I'm right.
Yeah.
And if we see in Punjab and Haryana, people protest in Delhi because
That is
Punjab
quite
and
geographically.
Haryana, one thing, Punjab and Haryana people is also indulged in APMC and also benefited by MSP.
MSP,
So
huh.
that's why
They would obviously get
Now they are
affected.
here and after the act.
No, but the government doesn't state that anywhere that MSP is going to end.
yes.
The government
But
states,
you
yeah,
will go
this
through
will
the
also
law.
remain.
We'll go through the
But
first
it's
law.
a statement, not in written
that-
form.
that is what
they
I-
have not given us.
The
is
government will never going to give you in written form.
Written form.
But you see, the government also doesn't prescribe this thing that they will eventually eradicate this
Eradicate
or
it like that.
remove
So,
this MSP thing in written
before
thing.
talking
So we
about-
also have that maybe we are going to have the MSP, and it is the very basic thing because the
Before
National
talking
Food
about
Security
MSP,
Act, it will.
we must know, can I say that?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
First, we must first know that why MSP was introduced. What happened that when the famine occurred in India, that was in 1960 or 1965 or 66 like that. So we were getting each and every thing imported from so many countries like America and Malaysia, European countries. Okay.
European countries.
So what happened that at that time, America started showing their tantrums. It's tantrums. Okay. So just to, what can I say? From Malaysia, if I'm right, then government ordered HYV, high yielding variety seeds of potato. Okay.
Yeah.
Just to increase
Revolutionize this agriculture sector, right?
Agriculture. And if I'm right, then Lakshmikant Saha committee is responsible for MSP because he stated that if you will provide some fixed amount of money to the farmers for their reproduction, for their produce, then that will be beneficial for them and they will they will indulge themselves in a large numbers.
Yeah.
That is why this was the result of Green Revolution.
And this sector would appear to be beneficial for all of us. That's why the people would get interested.
That's why
and
in
it will push
1965
up.
MSP was introduced, and till now this is not written anywhere that MSP will be given and document. Okay, and still our government is saying that it will provide MSP. It is not gonna eradicate it from our, what can I say, marketing
This-
system.
And that's the
System.
reason why are farmers protesting.
Protesting.
But,
And
but
moreover,
in,
they want
in
that-
this scenario,
and moreover-
But
farmers-
don't you think this
farmers
privatization
getting
thing is
dilemma.
better in any
Of course,
economy?
if I
That
would
is-
like to explain
capitalism
that
is better,
There are
always.
three acts which become acts. First is that's the farmer power. Produce and trade commerce bill.
Yes, yes.
So what happened?
One
That
nation, one
earlier,
market.
one nation, one market. This philosophy, as Modi ji already said, one nation,
One nation,
vote.
one market, one nation, one election, like
he
thing.
said like that. So if you talk about this bill, you
Yeah.
will find one thing that before this, farmers has no right to sell their produce
Outside
outside the mandi,
their regional,
outside the APMC.
especially their
outside the
regional APMC
So
under
now-
which their jurisdiction is.
Jurisdictions has been eradicated.
Eradicated.
Just because
All that limit.
Second, interstate or intrastate. Before this law, there was a provision that you cannot sell your product outside the state. Now you can sell
Not
your
only the
product.
outside the state, you
Ah,
can't even sell your product outside your APMC, right?
This was also the
This was a
question.
thing.
So this was eradicated.
Now
by
we
this
have,
law. Okay, second, innovations are being done.
yeah,
Because now people look, everything is being done in a trade and commerce way. Okay, if we are purchasing, even if we are making a single shoe, we are doing what, trade and commerce.
Yeah.
So why don't we do in a agriculture?
yeah,
This, in
like
the
because
online. So if I am having a large area of land where I am growing tomatoes, and if suppose that a person who is 70 kilometers away from me and he needs a good quality of tomatoes and I have, so if I'll put my status on online that I am ready to sell that product, so
Yeah.
that will be also benefited. Now coming to the next topic, that why people are leaving agriculture just because of lack of innovations.
exactly.
Okay,
So this is the sector where
science will
people
be added,
get into
if
loss.
science will be added to this field, definitely people will enjoy. That is why agriculture and universities are being set up.
Yeah.
So this is the reason. Now coming to the second
And
topic.
this point is suggested a great economist M.S. Swaminathan.
MS Swaminathan.
Yes.
Now coming to the second topic, and that is what? That is called contract farming. That is Power Protection and Empowerment Act.
Yes.
So many dilemmas are there, and that is being reframed. That is not mentioned. First is that their land will be
You know,
what can I say?
encroached on, seized.
on the name of, what can I say?
This
Based on,
contracting.
what can I say that one?
Contracting.
But in contract farming, it is mentioned that there will be no any contract or terms on the basis of land.
Only for crop.
That's only for
Now,
crop, the produce.
Second is there that if there will be the procedure that is contract for 4 years or 5 years, one crop pattern to 5 years like that. So if a person, if I am a businessman and I am just purchasing his land, okay, for a contract of 5 years or 6 years like that. So if I'll make any, what can I say, architectural building over there, then that will be destructed on the cost of my own. Or if I won't destruct that, if I won't, what can I say, destroy that
So
building, that
listen,
will
this
be the
contractor would
That it
don't
is
even
written on
think
the-
about
Nah,
having
that
any
is
kind of
written-
permanent building
it is written
or
there,
anything
it is
like
written
that.
there. Okay, now coming to the next topic, fixed, that payment one. So what happens? That earlier APMCs, the farmers were getting payment very late. Okay.
Yeah, after
Okay,
2
but
or
in
3
the
months.
case of- in this case,
Yeah.
in the contract farming, what you will get that you will have to pay the amount
Deliberate time.
on
Yeah.
that time only.
You get the
On that
advance.
time only, or within the next 3 days.
2 to 3
Yeah.
days.
2 to 3 days. Okay.
When due to problem of bank problem and any debit and credit problem, then delay the
then you can delay the payment.
2 to 3 days. Only
2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 days.
Apart from that,
Yes.
If you
Now-
see the positive side of this act, that if farmer meet his own buyer, on buyer or on consumer, then he know the needs of his own customer. He know the needs of his own customer. He know what sort of thing they're demanding from us. Then the needs are cultivated there.
and through this farming, through this bill, if I'm right, then I'm thinking that I'll be farmer as well as what trader
Yes.
of my own produce.
Yes.
Okay, there will be no anyone who have capacity or right to just get my produce.
It is
So this is my
good
perception.
thing of
Okay.
this.
Now coming to the next topic, that is what?
It's a good.
The third one.
Essential Commodities Act.
Huh?
This essential
Ah,
commodities
that's
bill. Let's talk about
commodities
that.
bill. So coming to the next topic, let me explain first that if you will go through the what can I say report, you will find that 80% of the groundwater is being used in the irrigating purpose of what? Paddy and wheat. So this has changed what? Entire cropping pattern.
Yes.
Yeah, almost, if I'm right, then 60% of the farmers are doing what? They are just investing their money on production of
A single
wheat
kind
and
of-
paddy.
yeah.
Okay, but we are not thinking about horticulture like flowers, fruits, because these are perishable materials.
Medicinal
But
plants
If this
even.
contract farming, even we organize a party, we do contract from Chowmin wala, Gupchup wala, like that. So why can't we do in this field? Why can't we do?
So how is it related to this Essential Commodities Act?
I'm coming to that. Now I'm coming to that topic only. That if coming to the topic, that what will happen if I will answer each and everyone. Coming to the topic, if someone will ask you that if the price will increase, then what will happen? So that is mentioned there that you can purchase, you can do contract with the sponsor man or
On your own
whatever
terms.
trader on the basis of 2 things. First is fixed price and second is flexible price.
That fixed price would even be flexible.
Even be
That you
flexible,
won't
okay.
get
not
price
not
lower
lesser
than that,
lower than that.
but you can
There
get
are
higher
so
than
many
that if it
aspects.
increases.
One another aspect is there about the penalties.
But see, that is not included in this bill.
Yes,
This is what the experts are saying. It should be included.
That is what
This
is
is
what the
included
reason
in, this
that now
provision
coming to
of
the
this
penalties. Okay,
Yes.
so if there is a major clause why people are quite furious or what scared about this bill, that if there will be any calamity or what can I say, natural famine, natural disaster, then how will I able to pay the money to that, or what can I say, produce to that
product,
that trader?
Yes.
So that is also, if you will read according to section 323 major clause, it is written
Yes.
that if a person will be in loss cause of natural calamity or famine, then no one will be punished.
Funny.
Okay,
So
no
this
one is
the
liable for that.
reality. Okay, this is the reality. Coming to the judgment section, that is why people are just talking that how will be the judgment. So that is under the SDM or like SDM or DC.
Magistrate
So
like
for
thing.
this,
The bureaucrats will come in.
Bureaucrats will judge all the factors. For this, my question is that there is a section 23 tribunal association like that. That you
Section
can make
323.
Agriculture tribunal.
agriculture tribunal. So you can make agriculture tribunal where there will be judge and some experts. Okay, and that will be what
Yeah,
under
1 minute. I want some clarification for you.
Yes.
From you, your side. Just as you previous mentioned, which section at mentioned that if the producer, its crops of farmers will get destroyed and then will get.
I am telling you that they are scared of it. That is why they are protesting.
This
They are
section-
scared.
Okay.
Okay, so first you need to eradicate their fear.
Okay.
Okay.
But according to your statement, it comes out that you are
No,
saying the
I am-
government
I-
already has
no,
some
no,
kind
I
of
am not
provision
telling-
that will
I am
provide the
I am
solution.
telling you-
Okay, my question is that from your side, this will help to farmer. And
course,
that if I read a summary of bills, then I will. That sounds very good. But is it practical? Is it possible in practical? If you see real data that was in which that 60% farmers don't know what is MSP, then how it is work?
This is what my
Just listen, my brother.
Okay,
if you just go around the site,
okay.
if you just go around the site, and then you will ask people, what is the three farmers bills that was implemented by farmer? Then who will going to tell you this is this that the farmer bills? That is the problem. Okay. My problem is not regarding bills. My problem is regarding government.
So
just implement this bill
This is what
properly.
I am. This is for implementation. You need to
According, so many
increase the
safety
awareness.
criteria, so many safety criteria that
No, just implementation is a kind of legal mechanism.
We need-
that we can do it.
As
Listen,
compared
listen.
to the developed countries.
Listen,
We
listen,
don't
sister.
have that much.
we need so much. We need so many things.
Yes.
We need so many things.
Guys,
it
shift
is
a
not.
little bit this side.
It is not about mechanisms,
Yes,
and
little
it is
bit.
not about only about like awareness. I need so many things. First of second bill provides the farmer same pedestrian. Understood? It means where the farmers and businessmen they can bargain to each other and they can fix their rates. Right? So now you will
There
tell
is
me.
no need of middlemen.
Okay, there is no need. That sounds very good. Wow, there is no need of middleman and
It sounds
farmers.
very good,
Okay.
but
But-
middleman,
Yeah,
as we all
that's
know,
but
as
that's but needs some implementation.
Middleman never eradicate.
My point is
what does
that
he want- what
so
does he
many
want to ask?
criteria, so many schemes, so many laws were launched in like after freedom, our country.
Look-
but still,
Look, my dear friend. to
Listen,
tell
but
you,
every
coming to
time
your
each
point
and
that
every
as you
scheme was
said-
focused on many more
as you
things.
said,
We
my-
had
my-
industrialization.
my-
why farmers getting suicide?
Yes.
Because
Coming
there
to
were
that
no
topic-
major
yeah.
reforms in
Coming
the.
to
See,
that topic-
after
and
Green
you
Revolution,
answer-
You will just answer me. Is this bills will help to farmer?
Now coming to
or
the topic, yes.
After
First of all,
implementations
I will-
will act. After functioning this act, will farmer don't even suicide and don't go to suicide? So that thing you first of all
First
justify
of all,
me.
I-
Why farmers are protesting and
Yes.
its reasons and
Actually, you know that.
This is
and you just mentioned
Let me
there
complete.
are no
Okay,
middlemen,
let
right?
anyone
So
answer.
about middlemen, I would like to say that there are 7,000 APMC that running across our country,
Yes,
right?
yes. Yes.
And in APMC there are more than 20 lakhs people working, and they have a job.
Okay.
And they don't have any jobs regarding. First of all, government should provide job, then they will finish. Like here, government didn't mention they are not going to finish APMC, right?
Yes.
That is your point. Okay, let me tell you, I am a farmer. You are a consumer. Now you are a consumer. You come to me, and you don't need to go APMC to buy crops and produces. Like you don't need to go APMC. First of all, you from after the implementation of this law, you will directly come to me and कहेंगे, अच्छा भैया आपने ऐसा ठीक कर दिया है. अब किसान भी बोलेगा ठीक है, you are my बाप. आपने जैसा बोला मैंने
Can
implement
I
कर दिया.
answer? May I answer?
So why would the farmers say you are my
answer is
Baba?
to you that you
There is
are
competition.
talking about that, will it helpful for the government
Yeah.
people or not?
Because-
Take an example
Yeah.
of Maharashtra and Karnataka. You will find that there are more than 10 or 11 private markets. If I write them.
And-
wait. Let
Okay.
me complete first.
Okay.
And secondly, there are more than 118 something private mandis are there.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Apart from that,
turnover-
APMC
the
thing.
turnover is 1200 crore like that. And wait, let me
wait,
complete
wait,
first.
wait,
And
okay.
if I talk about Maharashtra, that APMC is 48,000 like that.
48,000
100
crore.
like that. Okay. So this is the reason. Now coming to the topic, that will it be helpful for government? Will it be helpful
First
for
of
the
all,
poor?
Farmers
you
are
will
not.
you will justify me. Let me tell you something.
Okay.
You presented
A lot of data.
lot of data. You presented an example of Maharashtra.
Maharashtra, of course,
And I also like some point which are related to Maharashtra. Here are so many rules. Here are there are so many like so many committees will function in to the farmer help.
Of course.
And still in 1 hour every farmer attempts
My
suicide,
dear,
and
my
very
dear,
suicide
my
attempt
dear,
rate in
my dear,
Maharashtra.
So that is why we are having this bill, no? The government wants to reform this agriculture
You are
sector.
producing wheat and
Yeah,
barley.
I am a
But what about
producing
Farhan
wheat.
if he is producing what? Tomatoes, potatoes like that?
Yeah.
Contract farming deals with the, what can I say, upliftment of the people.
Exactly. The farmers will not.
Apart from agriculture things, you can also include the animals in the contract. farming.
Animal husband.
Other things, animal husbandry and other aspects of this
So-
agriculture
so
thing.
let's-
This will
Animal husbandry. First of all, just is bill passed and everyone like supported to the bill. I was also I'm also
You are supporting this bill.
Yeah, I'm supporting this bill, but my condition, if my condition concerned by government, then I will support it bill. And my condition is that government first of all previous law which are already function, so these law need more implementations and need more
improvisations. like you are-
improvisations,
Yeah, like that.
Are you
right?
talking
Yeah,
about
there
which
is
law?
something.
Which law like
MSP?
All the three.
APLP, APMC not, it is a market. APLK that
This farmers
was I'm
producer.
not very aware about
And that law. But
The one
that
which
law
deals with the contract.
which were already like implemented in 2017 and there are two committee, they presented their statement regarding what is the current situation of farmer in our country, but still government is not going to focusing on their statement. Bole, okay, I will take it.
Now,
You
now
don't
if you
worry
don't
about
mind,
it.
if you don't mind-
You will
How you
like
can say
because
that government is not
Swaminathan.
But nowadays,
Nowadays,
buddy, Supreme Court has put a stay.
What is fact?
Supreme Court has put a stay, and they are going to form a committee to investigate.
I
all
don't
this.
know MSP.
See,
I
if
don't know
there
MSP.
is-
No,
But I am a profitable of MSP. How is it possible?
No. Look.
I don't know MSP.
No, look.
I am a wheat producer.
Look.
I don't know MSP. And how is it possible?
You don't know,
That's
but,
why.
but the
That's
farmers of Punjab and
Okay.
Haryana know
That's
it
why,
very
that's-
well.
Second bills leads agreement. Second
They
bills
will
lead
lead to
agreement.
Contract.
And in the contract farming,
Contract
that is
farming like that,
agreement,
yeah, of
based
course.
on agreement.
Of course.
So,
Why will people? Why will? My question is to you that why are farmers frightened of contract farming? You first tell me so that I can answer your questions.
Okay, frightened or contract farming. Okay. So here are some related query according to farmer. Query is that if I am a consumer, you are a farmer. I just visited to you and just wanted to you. Okay, what's what's
What will you want?
What will
what
you
will your
want?
amount and what will your price regarding your crops regarding produce? Just you say what's you decide. Then I just farmer decided 2,000 per quintal. Give whatever. Then this is the maybe some private sector sign an agreement with some
With a
certain
farmer,
times.
okay.
And maybe in certain time like there are no MSP. It means if a farmer, if a private sector, like all our private sector get together and they decided I will just give you
5 rupees or something like per kg.
I will just give you 18,000. Okay, here is you can store anywhere and anything like produces. There are no official rules. Like you are free from a storage.
You are talking about third bill. I'm
Third
talking
bill,
about second bill.
Third bill also related to second
Yeah,
bill.
I'm
Just
talking about-
listen, just
okay,
listen.
okay.
Third bill is also related to
Yeah,
second bill. Here no
You
storage
can
system. You can use
accumulate
how many
whatever
you can,
quantity
how
you
many
want.
you
You can
store.
store.
Okay. In
How much
how
you
many how much you can store? Let me discuss first. If I agreement to this here and private sectors like. I am a consumer. I'm just going to you and just asking to you. Okay, agreemented. Now you agreemented like 2,000 rupees, and in 2,000 rupees, I just and that year by geographical reason,
Listened it.
so many like.
So many things happened, result-
by geographical reason, so many amount.
Keep
of,
your questions straight, please. Don't involve in examples.
What's your
It's like
what do you
you are
want?
Because
confusing.
you don't understand what is farmer business. That's why you don't understand my question. Right?
my answer is
You
to
are
you
turning
that
your question around one point this
So
and
you're
this.
not a
Like,
teacher.
आप जाओगे?
First of all, tell me. Let me tell you, you're not a teacher. You're not teaching us that we haven't understood. We
let
have
it be another
already-
point
I'm not a
We
teacher.
have already done the sessions.
I am not
and
a teacher.
You are no
I am
one
not
to
a
tell
teacher.
me that.
I am a citizen of
You are
India.
no one to
Cool,
tell me
cool,
that.
cool, man.
That
Well,
we
cool down.
are
Now,
not
listen.
understanding
Cool
it.
down.
That's why you
Okay.
have
Why
a
are
question.
holding-
My answer is
just
to you that-
holding and holding the things. Why are you holding?
Okay, straightforward. Just think.
Keep the question straight so that
me
it
the
is
question,
easily comprehensible, please.
You're not asking the question. You're just
Calm down, calm down.
Calm down.
starting
calm
from
down,
the
calm
thing
down.
and
Let's
where
just
you're
keep it-
committing, where you're going to. Do you think that you're a
Straight question, you are questioning this
If you think
legality
that
of
you
this
are-
contract.
So,
Madam,
it means
I'm here to
it means she read only like
Nahi.
paragraph of bill.
Yeah.
She don't know what is practical happening in a country. How many
don't
farmers?
know?
Yeah,
You don't
Yeah, I know. That's
The
why
reason is that you first ask the question. Ask me the question.
let
Then
me
only I will answer you.
Let me ask
May I
now.
join your group?
Wait
You
for a
think
while,
that
man.
you're
You can join.
expert
Okay, but wait for a while.
agriculturalist?
First, ask me
You
your question, man.
think- you
I'm
think
ready.
that-
So, okay,
you think
let
My question is this: I have already so much like wheat and crops. I'm not going to. I'm not going
Now
to.
I'm going to answer you the answer
Is it
the
the
question
question?
of this question. Okay?
This is the
For
question.
your kind
Okay.
information, you might have read about the calamities or natural disasters, if I'm right then. But coming to the next topic, that the next exception is there,
what?
that if the price of cereals will be increased by 50%
Yeah.
or price of horticulture will be increased by 100%, then definitely the, what can I say, the storage will be reduced.
If there is phenomenal
That
increase,
is
the government
written
can
there.
intervene.
That is written there.
Then why farmer protesting against it?
This is the
farmers
trouble,
are
na, because
not-
they are not aware of it.
Yeah,
They are not aware of it. Why farmers are protesting? Telling you the reason.
Yeah.
First reason is that the what
They are
can I
not
say,
aware
this one,
about the entire
what can I say,
system.
that judgment system, jury system, because that comes under the bureaucrat. And
Firstly, earlier already I told you. Firstly, government should aware the
this is
people.
what this is
That
my question.
After that,
This is what my
Same thing,
this
you are
is
having
what
the
my
same
question.
question,
That
brother.
People
my
will
question
get
is-
aware
this
once
is what
they go
I am
through these bills,
I'm
no?
answering you.
Okay,
Now
may
coming,
I-
wait.
may
First, let me complete.
Yeah.
He has having lots of questions, and I have to answer. Second question is there that the problem where lies in the jurisdiction. Sorry, what can I say? Justice one.
Yeah.
Why that? This
There is
the
not court in
law
the
comes
legalities
under
of
the
these law.
bureaucrats. Because the cases in India are increasing day by day. So they thought that why shouldn't it be under the SDM? So the
It will be
demand is
settled
that
out
it
outside the
should be
court.
under court.
Yeah, it would
This
get
is the
a
trouble.
lot more time to be
And,
decided about.
For interruption, court have a 30,000 case.
come this time.
This is what I am saying.
One thing and
Let him
one thing
complete,
and
let
one
him
more
complete.
thing. Farmer have not enough time to go court and when
already